Hi everybody, my name is Brandee Simons and I'm doing a tutorial video for our new dry shampoo. This is Redemption and it is a spray dry shampoo. And the first thing you need to do is make sure that your hair is all combed out and smoothed. Well, at least that's the first thing I do. So I'm trying to pull all the oils that are in my hair. And this is about a five day wash. I haven't washed my hair in about 5 days. And so I just want to show you how to use this dry shampoo. Like I said, I'm pulling all the oils from the top. And I'm pulling it through my hair, because the oils actually are a protection for your hair. And so you can see now that I've got it all smoothed out. The next thing I'm going to do is I take my hair into sections, because you're going to want to get closer to just right here, your root. You don't really want the dry shampoo to be going everywhere, and you certainly don't want it down here towards the ends. And since my hair is kind of shorter, it's not super short, but it's shorter, I want to make sure that I can put the dry shampoo exactly where it needs to go. So once you get it out of the container, just make sure to take your top off. And then you're just going to do 1-2 little spurts. And I immediately rub it in. And then I section it off as I go over to the other side. So you want to see your root right here. And then just do a quick rub to get it in there. And you're going to start to see more volume, and you're going to start to see that oil dissipate. Again, you could probably do one long spurt if you truly wanted to, and this stuff smells really good. I just do 2 little spurts, or spritz, however you want to call it. All right, I'm going to section this off a little bit. You can see my roots right here. And I just work it in. And as I'm working it in, I am jiggling it a little bit, but I'm also working it back to the tip of my head. But I won't ever go back further than right at the very base of your head. And then my last section right here. It's hard doing it on camera versus in the mirror. And then I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to brush through my hair. You can see it's given my hair a little bit more volume, and it's made it look very much less oily. And if you feel like there is a spot in here that you just don't feel like it's gotten, like right here, I kind of feel like there's more oil right there, just do it again. And then just brush it through. So now my hair has that shine. It doesn't have that dullness that it did before. It has a little bit more volume than it did before. And you can no longer see that oil that you could before. And that is how to use our Redemption dry shampoo. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.